City series cigars and Citrus 7s, black cement 3s, 4s, the hairs and bread 11s. No doubt that I'll be wearing some fire at any sighting. With these Dorenbecker 5s, you can see me in any lighting. It's exciting, I'll be flexing to the coldest degree. What's up, everybody? It's Sneakerhead M Checks. I just got these military black Jordan 4s scheduled to release Saturday, May 21st. So as usual, we're going to take a close detailed look at the shoe from all angles. After that, I'm going to share my opinion on them, and then I'm going to discuss release and reselling predictions and all that stuff. So let's get right to it. The suede on the toe is a lot thicker than I thought it was going to be. Just because of the name, military black, I was expecting the suede right here to be like it is on the military blues. Because, you know, on the military blues, it's like not as thick. It's more of the suede is a little bit more flat. So I was expecting these to be, you know, more like that. But I actually like it better this way. The leather on them is like lightly tumbled, which is much more apparent on this right shoe than it is on the left. See, this one is a little bit more smooth. The leather's almost like it is on like the white Oreos. But if you look at it close, you can see it's still it still is like very lightly tumbled, just not as heavily as it is on this shoe. So it looks like this is going to be one of those pairs where the material varies. Well, for the leather part, it'll differ shoe to shoe, kind of like it did on the 2021 Lightning 4s. However, I don't think these military blacks are going to be as extreme as those. Like this pair here that I have specifically, it's really only on the toe box. Yeah, I was seeing a few that the leather, you know, throughout the rest of the shoe is pretty consistent. See up here, you can see the tumble on the leather a little bit more. And you'll also see that it's completely consistent on both shoes. And see what I mean? Like on the side here, the leather's, you know, more consistent shoe to shoe. They don't really have that variance between the left and the right shoe. So same thing here on the other side. Leather quality is not the greatest, but it is pretty consistent on this side as well. If I could get the shoe to rest up there and show you, there we go. See what I'm saying? Here they are from the back. Tongue on these is nice and thick. It's got that nice material on it, as you can see, in black. And then the rest of the shoe has the same material around it, just in white. And the insoles are black with white Jumpman logos. Here's the sole. It's exactly what I expected it to look like as far as coloring and stuff. They come in this special color box. Unlike some of the other Jordan 4s that we've gotten recently with the lid on top, this one actually has the folding top instead with the speckle all over, just like the Taupe Haze 4s. Then inside they got the speckle on the paper and a little extra white paper inside. And here's the box label. Alright, here's a quick all-around view of the shoe. Alright, now let's talk about them. These are fire. I'm not too crazy about the leather quality on them, but it's really not that bad. We've gotten much worse before. I'm being extra picky with the leather on these because I like them. I just wish that we could have got that top-notch leather quality that they put on certain other Jordans, like the white Oreos. But like I said, it really isn't that bad.
I do plan to cop a pair for myself, so hopefully I get a pair that has good, consistent leather on both shoes. And when I get my pair, I'm going to rock them with this Alone in France hoodie that I got on from Unique Apparel. It's a good graphic hoodie, got some more designs on the arm and on the back. Also came with a pair of sweats, and the sweats are crazy. See, I really wish these were my size, because if they were, I would give y'all some on feet footage and y'all can see them with the sweats. But just so y'all can see how the set looks, here's a picture of me wearing it with the Concords. You can check them out on Instagram at _unique apparel 1_. Check out all the drip they got and then send them a message on there if you want to purchase something. I think one of the reasons I like these is because they really are the military blue 4s just in black. And I always really like the military blue 4s. I've been waiting for Jordan Brand to retro them. I'm sure a lot of y'all have been also. And honestly, I feel like they're trolling us at this point. It's been 10 years since they've retroed the military blues. They haven't re-released them yet with the Nike Air on the back, and they've re-released all the other OG Jordan 4 colorways with the Nike Air. So they know it's necessary. They know we want them. Like I just said, it's been 10 years. And they had the nerve, they had the audacity to drop those golf cleats. That really blew mine, because like, come on. Y'all know the people golfing wasn't asking for those. We want those to wear and play ball or whatever. And not really play ball, to wear casually. But not to play golf. And it's like, all right, ha, y'all got us. Y'all know we really wanted these. Now y'all released the golf version. You would think after that they would give us the shoe we want. Nah. Instead of dropping the military blues, they made a military black. But these are nice, so I'm not mad about these. It's not something stupid like the cleats. We'll get the military blues eventually. Once these release and sell out, I think they're going to resell for around like 300. Bigger sizes will probably go for a little bit more than the smaller sizes as usual. So this is going to be a great shoe to resell. But I think they're going to be an even better shoe to invest in. They are Jordan 4s, the best style Jordan to invest in right now. But also, just because they have like all neutral colors that kind of just go with anything, I feel like that's just another incentive for more people to want them. And I think the demand on them is going to be pretty crazy. Kind of like the white Oreos. Now, I've said in other videos that I really didn't expect the white Oreos to go up in price the way they did. I'm still shocked at how they're a $500 shoe less than a year after release, because they're really not that fire. I mean, they're okay, but they're not all that. And I still don't know why they go for so much, but one of my, besides the fact that they're Jordan 4s, one of my best guesses was, they're a real clean looking neutral colored shoe. You can't really go wrong with those. You can wear white, you can wear gray, you can wear black. There's red in them, you can wear red too. And not that they look like the Oreo 4s, but because they have pretty much the same colors, and they definitely give off that neutral vibe, I think they're going to do really well price-wise and go up pretty quick. Another neutral color Jordan 4 is the Black Cats. Now, I don't think these are going to do what those did, but those two pairs kind of make me feel like, maybe the neutral black, white, and gray colors, on top of the fact that they're Jordan 4s, kind of help the Black Cats and the white Oreos go up crazy in value the way they did. And I'm thinking maybe these will do the same. Even if that's not the case, they're still Jordan 4s. Y'all know every pair of Jordan 4s is doing well after they come out. If you're not able to get these at retail price and you still want to invest in them, or if you just want to get a pair for yourself to wear, I think the best time to buy these is going to be about a month after they come out. Because at that point, they're most likely going to be close to, if not at, their lowest price. You just got to catch them at that sweet spot after the release date hype goes down, but before they start going back up in value. But good luck to everybody that's trying to cop a pair of these to wear. I'm wishing you all the best of luck and getting them in your size for retail. If this video was helpful or informative in any way, I'd really appreciate if you gave it a thumbs up. Also, if you're interested in more early reviews and other sneaker related content, do us both a favor and subscribe to my channel. Just make sure you tap that little bell icon next to the subscribe button and select all. That way when I put a new video out, you'll get notified and you won't miss out on anything. Thank you all for watching. Everybody please stay safe and healthy out there, and I'll see you next time.